I did this one for St. Monico's Training College. Hey.
Good day, viewers. I send warm greetings from St. Monico's College of Education.
St. Monico's College of Education's SRC's week is here in a grand style.
Oh yes, and we wish to invite each and every one of you to come join us celebrate it.
We are here to launch the 2019 SRC Week celebration. College management sees the SRC as a key stakeholder in our quest to deliver quality education.
SRC Week is a moment where students veer off from their studies, have time with their own colleagues. Now this year's SRC Week is coming off from the 15th to the 23rd of June.
If you believe in your team, then rep your team.
I am the CEO of Channel 9 Multimedia.
And I am the Secretary of Nyansa Production.
Join us as we celebrate
the SRC Professional Day. See you there.
So I, Barbara Emasimonzi, SRC President of this noble institution, urges all students to participate fully in this year's SRC Week celebration to make it a successful one. Thank you.
On the 6th day of SRC Week celebration, we are repping our alma mater. If you believe in your alma mater, then rep your school.
Join us and let's represent our tribe. Action!
The men!
Action!
The men!
Action!
Yes, it's Monico's SRC Week celebration.
Monico goes men.
Yes, we are going men.
Let us enjoy ourselves, but overall, let us learn something, especially as women.
This year, the SRC is going to take a different shape and a different dimension altogether.
We would extend a hearty welcome to you.
And you.
And you. Come and let's have fun.
Thank you.
They would not, under any circumstance, do anything that would tarnish the image of the college, for which we are really proud of them and endorse their activities, and we wish them well. On this note, I have the singular honor as the principal of the college
I did this one
to
for
declare
St.
the 2019
College.
SRC celebration duly launched.
Monico has decided to go 90s on the Wednesday. Thank you.
Cock it up, wine, and the pen I'm a sunshine. Obi Chayo, Monday, I don't know when I'm fine. Yeah. We feel rock the party, yeah. Left to right.
SRC Week 2019 is going to be lit.
Be my sherry cocoa, free my sherry cocoa, yeah. Be my sherry cocoa.
For your exclusive videos and interviews, just subscribe to DH Colors TV on YouTube.
The name is still P. Kesaya Papa Kumasini. Keep on watching Nyansa TV and subscribe as well. Click on YouTube.